All right, Miss Ava, tell us what you've been doing in kindergarten this week. You forget? What have you been practicing in math? I was in your room the other day and you guys were doing subtraction. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that hard or easy?
Easy.
What does the word subtraction even mean? What do you do when you subtract? Do you add more?
Add less.
Yeah, you take some away, don't you? Yeah, subtraction is the same as takeaway, isn't it? Yeah. All right, what else have you been doing? Anything? Can you think of something? No? It's hard to do when you're on the spot, isn't it? Yeah. All right, well, Ava, who do you want to say hello to, my dear?
Mr. Raider.
You want to say hi to Mr. Raider? All right, give him a wave.
Hi.
All right, Keegan, tell us about first graders this week. What have you been learning?
We've been learning about U and UI and UE and OU and words and EW and full list. I can use full and list on root words.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you, if I put the word less on the end of a word, like careless, what's that mean?
It means like you don't care.
That's right. So it changes the meaning of the word, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. What else you got on your little list?
Pronouns. I can write.
You're right. You can write pronouns in sentences, can't you?
With pronouns.
That's right. That's that word. All right. What about in math? What have you been learning about in math? Have you been doing doubles plus one?
Double plus one and doubles. Like 2 plus 2, 4 like doubles.
Okay.
And,
You know what? You guys did something special in your class. Something about a fish market. Have you been talking about fish?
yeah.
Is that like the fish you eat?
Yes.
Yes, but what are the 4 principles of the idea of fish? What are those 4 ideas? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to, when we talk about having a good attitude, right?
You have like fun.
That's right.
Like throwing fish around a real life one. And,
That'd be hard to catch, wouldn't
Yeah.
it?
yeah. And
Thinking about others, right?
yeah, and think about others. And then are happy for people coming to and them are being nice to them and them are being nice to them.
It was a cool video to watch, right?
Yeah.
About how we treat other people. All right. Well, Mr. Keegan, who do you want to say hello to?
Wyatt, my brother, and my whole class.
All right. Give him a wave. Good work, bud. Okay, Miss Ashlyn, tell us what you've been doing in 2nd grade this week.
In math, we have been doing adding and subtracting money, and then in reading, we've been doing expository text.
Ooh,
and
what does that mean?
It means like something that could happen in real life and may not.
Okay.
You don't know?
Expository text, though, is nonfiction, isn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. What else have you been doing? I'm sorry, I interrupted you.
It's okay. We've been reading about rules, how they're important, and we read in our reader setting the rules, about like the president setting the rules.
Oh, why do we need rules?
Because if you didn't have any rules, there would be a lot of like people out there that wouldn't listen, and you could get really bad hurt.
That's right. It'd be chaotic, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It'd be crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What else have you guys been doing? Anything else?
We've been like learning about how to I forget what it's called in math.
Okay.
It's like been like like money, and we have to regroup with it and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, adding and subtracting. Yeah.
Is that easy or hard?
It's easy.
It's easy?
It's really easy.
Okay, is it because,
Subtracting.
do you think it helps that you know your math facts and that's why it's easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Miss Ashley, you've done a nice job. Tell me, who would you like to say hello to?
Miss Stockland and everybody in my class.
All right, give them a wave. Great job. All right, Victor, tell us what you've been doing in 3rd grade this week.
Next week we're going to do ISTEP. We went Tuesday to see a special play called Pinocchio for 3rd grade. It was an opera.
Oh, did you like that show? Yeah, what was different about that opera than maybe just a different kind of play that you've seen?
There was a fox and a cat.
Yeah. And did they sing a lot in that? Yeah. Did they sing like they sing on the radio? Or was it a different kind of singing?
It was like a high pitch and low pitch.
That's right. Very good. I like that word pitch. You used it appropriately. Very nice. Okay, so next week you're going to do I-step practice, aren't we? 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Okay. Anything else you want to share with us?
Friday before break, we went on a field trip to the Children's Museum.
Was that awesome? Yeah, it was pretty fun there, isn't it? Lots of things. It's not your regular kind of stuffy museum, is it? No, it's an interactive museum is what we call those, where you get to actually do things. Okay. All right, who do you want to say hello to, Victor?
Jordan, Gage, Gabby, my class, and my family.
Awesome. All right, give them a wave. Good job, bud. All right, Bobby, tell us what you've been doing in 4th grade.
Well, in math, we were doing types of measurements.
Okay. Do you remember any of the types that you were doing?
Liquids, like liters and milliliters.
Good.
Cups, pints. We were using gallon man.
Oh, yes. So you're practicing how many cups are in a pint, how many pints are in a quart, how many quarts are in a gallon.
Yeah. We were also, there's this other thing. There's like a G for king gallon. There's a king in king gallon who had 4 queens, and each queen had 2 princesses, and each princess had 2 cats.
And that's how you remember how many cups are in a pint, how many pints are in a quart, and how many quarts are in a gallon. Does that help? Yeah, we love all those little tricks.
And sometimes we would watch some videos about it.
And that has helped you remember? Good.
There's even a song about it.
There's a song too? So do you sing it too?
No.
No.
I barely remember any of it.
But it has helped you to remember? Good. Anything else? What else do you have on your note down there?
Well, in science, we were learning about caves and caverns, about the 3 types of zones, the entrance zone, twilight zone, and the dark zone,
Okay.
and what lives in it. Like on the outside, it's bright. Once you walk 50 feet inside, at least 50 feet inside, you can barely see the sun.
That's right, because you're too far in, aren't you?
And we're learning about what type, the famous types of caves, like Mammoth Cave is famous because it's the longest cave. House Caverns is famous because it was discovered by a cow.
Oh. Yep.
Carlsbad Caverns is famous because of bats.
That's right. It houses lots of bats, doesn't it? Mm-hmm.
And there is,
You forget?
yeah, but there's one more. Oh yeah, Lecoq's Cave. And it was discovered by at least 3 boys who just school.
Oh, they were school skippers, but they found a pretty awesome cave, huh? Okay.
It's also famous of the paintings in it.
Oh, because they're from people from a long time ago, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. You guys have been doing a lot of work this week, it sounds like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, Miss Bobby, who would you like to say hello to?
The class.
Your class. Give them a wave. You did fantastic. I'm proud of that. All right, Colt, tell us what you've been doing in 5th grade this week.
Well, this week we've been talking about the signing of the Constitution and ratios in math.
Ratios. What's a ratio? What's it look like?
Well,
Is it where you compare some things?
yeah, you compare the two. I'm not sure. Actually.
You're right. You're right. So in my office, I have 4 chairs total, don't I?
Yeah,
How many of the chairs in my office are black?
1.
So the ratio for black chairs to all the chairs would be 1 to 4,
Yeah,
right? So we can kind of set it up like a fraction, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So good. You got it. You know how to do that. All right. So what else? You said the Constitution.
Signing of the Constitution.
Were there a lot of signatures or just one?
Few.
Yeah, there were quite a few, weren't there?
Yeah.
How come one person? Do you think in your mind, Colt? Why do you think one person only didn't make all those decisions?
Because they didn't want to. They didn't want it to be like Britain.
They didn't.
They didn't want to just have one person in charge.
That's
and
right.
They were also wanted the citizens to have a say so too.
That's right. That's part of our democracy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That everyone has a voice. Very good. All right. Anything else you want to share with us?
No.
Okay. Well, who do you want to say hello to, Colt?
Our class.
All right. You did a great job. Give them a wave. Good job, bud.